Service accounts abound in every organization, and failure to manage them leads to significant risk. Delinea's Account Lifecycle Manager automates service account governance, allowing you to control service account sprawl. Let's take a look. With Account Lifecycle Manager, you can easily establish workflows for tighter control over service accounts. Our workflow templates make getting started easy with a few simple steps and customizations that give you visibility and control. Delegate service account ownership with role-based permissions. Here you can see how seamless it is to create users, groups, and roles aligned with the needs of your business. Role-based permissions within Account Lifecycle Manager govern user access, setup, and request workflow. There's finally a solution that allows you to provision accounts seamlessly and automatically. Administrators can define workflows for the account provisioning process by setting required approvals for each type of account request. Account Lifecycle Manager also allows you to enforce governance and create accountability and ownership for your service accounts. To reduce sprawl and tighten your attack surface, decommission accounts without causing disruption with automated notifications. Review requests a user to acknowledge renewal but does not turn off the account in any way. Disable asks the user to acknowledge renewal and sets the account to disabled if not renewed. Expire asks the user that the account must be reapproved for renewal, and if it is not renewed, the account is expired on the appropriate date. Delete asks the user to acknowledge renewal. If the account is not renewed, it's deleted along with the credentials in the secret server. Now IT teams can improve service account governance and seamlessly control service accounts to mitigate the risk of breaches, service interruptions, and human error. Account Lifecycle Manager covers so much more than I can cover in a brief demo. If you would like to see Account Lifecycle Manager for yourself, request a free trial today. Thank you.